Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we have to change a fuel pump on Monica's car. It's a 2001 Buick LeSabre. Now, I picked this one up on Amazon because it's a 20-year-old car and this was the cheapest option. It doesn't have to last another 20 years. So, Napa wanted over $300 for a fuel pump. This one was only about 40 bucks. I'll put a link down below. But just for reference, this fuel pump is supposed to fit 2000 through 2005 Buick LeSabres, 98 through 2005 Park Avenues, 98 through 2005 Cadillac DeVilles, 98 to 2004 Cadillac Sevilles, 2001 to 2003 Oldsmobile Auroras, and 2001 to 2005 Pontiac Bonnevilles. So the procedure might not be exactly the same on changing it, but at least that's what this pump will fit. So a couple of things that goes wrong with these cars, as apparently pretty common, is the gas gauge quits reading correctly or quits working altogether, and the sending unit with the float all comes as one assembly with the fuel pump here. So if you have that issue, you could be fixing that. Also, Monica's car has been having a hard time starting, and it looks like it has new plugs and wires, so I'm thinking fuel pump is a good way to go. At least we'll fix the gas gauge. So let's show you how to fix it. This may be the only example in automotive history, but your fuel pump has a little access panel so you don't have to drop the tank or do nothing goofy. Just take that off and we'll be at the top of the tank and the pump will be right there.
You need to hold the tip down or something.
You always hold the tip.
Yep. Always.
So you have 5 7mm bolts to take off that panel. No, you just gotta work your way around it, it'll come up. So there it is, got the little access panel off, got a couple of lines, got a wire connector. We're gonna have to spin that thing out of there. We're gonna have to splice some wires for this fuel pump, so we want to disconnect the battery first. If you don't know, your Buick battery is underneath the back seat, so go ahead and do that. Pull back on it. You probably won't need this. You can do it with your finger.
Oh, just pull this? I thought I had to push that down.
Just pull it up, push it out. Okay. There you go. Pull that up. It's like a lock key, holding it in place. There you go. Now pull that tab on the right. It's sticking out right next to that blue thing you just pulled off. Yep, you're going to push that up and then pull out. Push it that way and then pull out my way. Yep, and then I'll push it my way. Yep. Yep. Hurt your finger?
No.
Good job. Now we got to disconnect the fuel lines. So the fuel line's pretty easy. Each line has these two little tabs you got to pinch in. Just pinch them in, pull the lines off. You don't need any special tools. Next we got to spin this thing off. So you see it's got these little tabs here. And it's a little rusted, so it'll be a little bit of a pain. But we just got to give it about a quarter of a turn. Yeah, quarter turn counterclockwise. So we're putting a little pry bar on the inside of that tab. And she's going to tap on it. We're going to try and break this thing loose. So when you start getting the ring off, this tab is right in that slot. And what you're doing is turning it until that tab gets into this open spot. But as soon as you kind of break it loose and feel it freeing up, get a shop vac or something and clean as much as you can off, because you don't want loose rust going all down inside the tank. But once you get it lined up, this just pops off and everything will pull out. So here's the new fuel pump. This was the seal that was on the tank itself, the old one. Comes with replacements. This is the one we'll use. So that goes with the new one. Also, you're going to have to put your float on. And it uses a different wiring connector, so we're going to have to do a little bit of splicing. So that just goes in the hole there. Push it in place, locks into these tabs right here, and there's your float. Full tank, empty tank, just like a toilet. The ring was all rusty as hell, so we're just going to clean it up a little bit with a wire wheel. So Monica's going to put the new seal in there. I'm going to drop the new one in, make life easier on yourself, put that ring on before you get down there. Obviously you want your lines aimed the same way, so that'll pretty much line you up with sticking it in there. It'll probably have a little bit of resistance, won't really sit all the way down. So you're just going to push and turn the ring a little bit just to start locking in those tabs. So you're going to tap that ring back into place. Then you're going to need to get your little fuel line guys off the old filter because the new one doesn't come with new ones. Just very gently with the screwdriver or something, pry back the little tabs and it'll pop off. You can see Monica sliding them on the new one. There you go. Then push the lines on. Alright, and you can hear them snap in. Now we gotta do the wiring. The flat connector to the right is still going to go into that black connection on the new fuel pump. But the square one on the left is the one that we're going to have to cut, and we're going to splice it into this new harness that came with the new pump. The colors match up. You got black, you got purple, you got gray. You got black, you got purple, you got gray, and you got black with a white stripe. It also came with butt connectors, but we're using solder seal. So once you get your connectors all hooked up, you'll use the original plug there, put your new plug there. Let's start it up, see how it goes. Just make sure those lines aren't leaking. Looks good.
Gotta put the cover on.
That wasn't very good. Want to do it again? Hurts in the cold, don't it? Alright, now we just gotta put the cover on. Job's done. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like, subscribe for our subscriber, and I'll see you next time.